see what is additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. The additive inverse of any rational number is the same rational number but with the opposite sign. Example, the additive inverse of A upon B will be minus A upon B, or vice versa. The additive inverse of minus A upon B will be A upon B. Let us see with some examples. Additive inverse, if you have to find out, of 2 upon 3. So it will be minus 2 upon 3. If you have to find out additive inverse of minus 6 upon 7. So answer will be 6 upon 7. Minus will become plus and plus will become minus. So what is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is also called as reciprocal. A upon B, reciprocal will be B upon A. Numerator will come in denominator and denominator will come in numerator. That is called multiplicative inverse. Let us see with some example. If you have to find out reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 7. So answer will be 7 upon 3. Question number 2. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. First part, 2 upon 8. Students, as I explained you what is additive inverse of a rational number. Additive inverse of a rational number is the same rational number but with the opposite sign. So in the first part we have 2 upon 8. Sign is positive. So additive inverse will be opposite sign minus 2 upon 8. So write the answer minus 2 upon 8. Second part, minus 5 upon 9. So minus will become plus. So your answer will be 5 upon 9. Third part, minus 6 upon minus 5. We know that minus minus numerator denominator, when we have, we can cancel. So we have to find out additive inverse of 6 upon 5. So 6 upon 5, it is positive. So opposite will be minus 6 upon 5. Then fourth part, 2 upon minus sign. First let us write this in the standard form. In the standard form it will be minus 2 upon 9. So now let us find out additive inverse of minus 2 upon 9. Minus will become plus. So your answer is 2 upon 9. Fifth part, 19 upon minus 6. Let us write in the standard form. So it will become minus 19 upon 6. And additive inverse of minus 19 upon 6 will be positive 19 upon 6. So write here 19 upon 6. In additive inverse, you just have to change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Question number 3. Verify that minus x is equal to x for first part, x is equal to 11 upon 5. So here the value of x is given, that is 11 upon 5. So first let us find out minus x. So minus x will be minus 11 upon 5. We have to verify minus x is equal to x. So let us write here minus x. So it will be minus x value is minus 11 upon 5. Minus we have plus. So answer is 11 upon 5. So x is equal to 11 upon 5. It is verified. Now second part, x is equal to minus 13 upon 17. Value of x is given minus 13 upon 17. So now find out minus x. It will be minus 13 upon 17. Minus plus. So value of minus x is 13 upon 17. We have to verify minus x is equal to, so minus value of minus x is 13 upon 17. So right here 13 upon 17. So it is coming minus 13 upon 17. That is the value of x. So yes, it is also verified. So right here, verified. Question number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. So what is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is also known as reciprocal. Numerator comes in denominator and denominator comes in numerator. First part, minus 13. So here only one number is written. Whenever you see only one number is written, denominator we write 1. So right here, minus 13 upon 1. So now we will find out multiplicative inverse of minus 13 upon 1. So right here, multiplicative inverse will be minus 1 upon 13. Second part, minus 13 upon 19. So find out the multiplicative inverse. It will be minus 19 upon 13. Third part, 1 upon 5. So multiplicative inverse will be 5 upon 1. So right here, multiplicative inverse, it will be 5 upon 1, or we can write 5. Fourth part, minus 5 upon 8 into minus 3 upon 7. So let us multiply. 5 3s are 15, minus minus plus. So right here 15, 7 8s are 56. So now we will find out multiplicative inverse of 15 upon 56. So right here, multiplicative inverse will be 56 upon 15. Fifth part, minus 1 into minus 2 upon 5. So let us multiply. 1 2s are 2 upon 5. So multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 5 will be 5 upon 2. Sixth part, minus 1. So whenever you have only one number, we write denominator 1. So right here, minus 1 upon 1. So multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 1 will be minus 1. Students, keep in mind multiplicative inverse of minus 1 will be minus 1 and 1 will be 1. Question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. First part, minus 4 upon 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 upon 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 5. First, let us see the pattern. Which property is this? A into 1 is equal to 1 into A. And the answer is A. If you multiply any number by 1 or 1 by any number, answer will be that number. So students, which property is this? This is multiplicative identity of 1. So right here, multiplicative identity of 1. चाहे आप कोई भी नंबर लो, उसे 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, आंसर वही नंबर होगा. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, minus 13 upon 17 into minus 2 upon 7 is equal to minus 2 upon 7 into minus 13 upon 17. Let us see the pattern. A into B is equal to B into A. Which property is this? Commutative property of multiplication. So right here the property is commutative property of multiplication. Third part, minus 19 upon 29 into 29 upon minus 19, that is equal to 1. So here let us take A upon B into B upon A is equal to 1. So which property is this? If you have noticed here, A upon B, and second which we are multiplying, that is the inverse of A upon B. So the property is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. As we can see here, A upon B, into the second number is the inverse of the first number, and that is equal to 1.